Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the HomePod Mini and powering it on. That gives the device time to boot and advertise itself. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on and is signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID so settings sync. Once done, place the iPhone close to the speaker. You should see the setup animation appear. Tap Continue when prompted, because that exchanges credentials and preferences securely and begins the automatic configuration process. You will see a sequence of screens asking for room assignment and permissions. Choose a room so HomeKit automations function correctly. Make sure to enable personal requests only if you want Siri to access messages and reminders from this HomePod Mini. Next, confirm Siri and Apple Music settings so the speaker can play your library and handle requests. Once the progress completes, your iPhone transfers network credentials and home data. Wait patiently to avoid broken pairing. You finish by testing basic functions. Ask Siri to play music or check the weather to confirm responses route through the HomePod Mini. If audio routes incorrectly or setup stalls, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and restart the HomePod Mini by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging back in. Also toggle Bluetooth on your iPhone. If problems persist, reset the HomePod in the Home app and repeat pairing. This addresses most network or account mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.